this is right at the beginning. We're gonna go upstairs, guys. Almost there. This way. Oh, it's like a freaky house. I used to live in this house. Oh, there was an elevator. Should have took the elevator. This is the first exhibit. The scary chainsaw. Oh, look at the pencils and the fireplace. Here I am, guys. Oh, what a beautiful sight. What a beautiful sight. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sight. Just kidding. Holy, that's a nerve. That's a mermaid, guys. We're going into the next room. Oh, this way. Okay. Oh. Ah, check it out, guys. Strange heads.
Oh, look, it's closing.
It opens too as a woman.
Anything you want to read, just freeze it, pause it. Oh, shrunken head. My daughter would love that. She loves shrunken heads. Cool. Oh, tools of the torture chamber. Different tools. If you guys want to see this, just pause it right here and then start it back up again. And again, this is Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. And thank you for stopping by.
Antonio!
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share. Oh, look.
Tarantula taco.
Let's go.
Yeah, almost good as Taco Bell. The Tarantula Bell. A Land Rover, I guess. Goes across the moon's surface. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, the crown molding. Look at the light. Gorgeous. A six-legged cow. Six-legged steer. That's the same as a cow. chickens. So what are those? Two-headed rabbit.
Headless rooster.
Headless rooster.
Lived for 18 months.
Oh wow.
Got a two-headed lamb.
Two-headed lamb. Supposedly these are all real things, right? What'd you see in there? What'd you see in there?
A little chicken or duck.
Somebody poked your finger in your eye? Yeah. Can you try to look? Look, he didn't get close, he's nervous now. You guys look in the little hole, guys. Natural tree. World's tallest man.
He's now the tallest man in the world. He soon lost some feeling in his leg.
Tallest man, like 175 pounds.
The braces caused a blister on his foot.
8 foot 11 inches. Age of 9.
Son 6 piezas.
Oh wow. Hey everybody, it's Craig with Barefoot Adventures. We're at Ripley. I hope you're enjoying the video. And we'll see you. Keep seeing you around. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, that's a lovely looking guy.
This is the snake eater. Johnny Tong of Venice Beach, California, trained his pet snake to crawl in his nose and out his mouth. Ew, the eyeball popper. This dude from Cuba.
Look right here.
Just look at his eyeballs.
I got it, baby.
So this is a half man. He was born like that. He grew up to be a band leader, artist, musician, composer, band leader, actor, swimmer, diver, juggler, and tightrope walker. How? Blue man. Look at the ironwork in the railings. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Portrait of Robert Ripley. Oh, cool. The letters of his name. Nails. Recycled art snake. Solomon Islands ancestor skull. Throne of the King of Ethiopia. Can't pronounce the name. Asmat skull necklace. The widow would cut off her husband's head and create a necklace to wear. Oh, well, that's pleasant. Sorry, I'm not doing that with Fred's head. Buffalo tooth necklace. Okay. Spirit mask. Oh. Plastic toys and things. It's upcycled art portrait. That's cool. It's a lion. It's a hippo tusk. How does somebody eat like that? Headrest. Motorcycle bones, coffee filter dress, newspaper. Ooh, look at the stained glass in the ceiling. That's pretty. Oh, keyboard art. Chewbacca. C-3PO.
That's old typewriter.
Huh?
Wood. This is all recycled.
An at? Is that what that thing's Holy cow. Gator, bobcat. Yeah. Snakes. Ooh, skull bead necklace. Ooh, 14-foot python skin. Pirate ships. Ah, jelly bellies.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Yes. Goodbye.
Huh? Yeah. Canvas Canteen. Holy cow.
Just look down. Look down.
Okay, I'm waiting on the world to quit spinning. Holy cow.